Hey guys, so in this quick video, I'm going to talk about the Kindroid, if it's actually like worth upgrading and not even like worth using, and what you have to be aware of. So, the Kindroid, what is great is that it actually offers 7-day premium trial that you can actually like check it out for yourself. It requires payment method, but see if you actually like it. So this is very important. Now, for the Kindroid itself, what is like good is that you can have deep customization, you can have natural conversation, high quality voice calls, also contextual selfies. So the AI generated images consider your conversation and the AI's current mood. So that's like very great. Also multi-platform connectivity. But sometimes what you have to be aware of is also the pricing plans, what you can actually like get. That you're gonna have, for example, subscription cost right here, and direct way purchases. You can have like 3 months, $38, $140 is 1 year, and 1 month is $14. And so this something like the pricing is like what it is. Maybe it's going to be high, I don't know, but something to be aware of. So for complex topics, sometimes like the voice call is not going to be that effective. So that's something to be aware of. And also learning curve for the kind of like the best results. Now it's a good tool, I'm not saying it's bad, but what I want to share with you, okay, this is going to be from this kind of like moral standpoint, okay? I know live you let live, but if you're gonna use it for example, let's say for languages or kind of like the mentor, okay, I get it, right? But if you're gonna create like deep relationship with it, just be very careful, okay? Like there is this wonderful saying that someone else technological product is a way to jail someone like soul, and this kind of like stole the energy from you, and no matter how good it looks. But in the moment when you create this kind of like this relationship with something that is not real, it is like made up, just like with the pixels, you just have to be very careful, right? It's not a living, okay? And it's really insane that I'm even saying this, but I see young people getting like with the kind of like romantic relationship with the AI. It's like, what is that, man? So, and it's not good, man. It's not good. So hope this video a little bit helped you. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and good